Let's learn how to search using search commands. This is the Trove homepage at trove.nla.gov.au with its search bar. One example of a search command is using quotation marks. This will get you results for a specific phrase rather than the separate words. So, we can type Chinese restaurant into the search bar, adding quotation marks around the whole phrase. We don't want to only get results for the word restaurant or the word Chinese. And look here, an article on the only Chinese restaurant on the South Coast in South Australia in 1982. And in magazines here is an article about best Chinese restaurant in 1983, the Flower Drum, which of course was in Melbourne. And here, John Alu's image of the first known Chinese restaurant in Australia. Alu's picture is from 1862, but the restaurant opened in 1854 in Bakery Hill, Ballarat. Search commands are an easy way to start doing more advanced searching. There are many other search commands that you can find in the help pages. These help pages can be accessed at the top of Trove. Select Searching and then go to Constructing a Complex Search Query. Good luck finding whatever you are looking for on Trove.